Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is Stop or Dare, a game out of our second grade math kit. And this has students adding numbers and also determining the likelihood of an event happening. So they're going to roll 2 dice. And so it's going to be players, it could be anywhere, it's from 2 to 4 players, however you want it. The goal is to get to 50 points. And they're going to start, first player is going to go, and they're going to roll the 2 dice, and they're going to say the value of what they think those 2 dice are. So for example, these 2 dice I rolled are 4 and a 5. So they can say I've got 45, or they can say I have 54. So because we want to gain the most points, I'm going to go with 54 because I'm being strategic here. So I've got 54 points. Now I can roll those 2 dice again if I want to, or I can stop. Let's say I roll the dice again and I get, say I get 23 or 32. So I'm going to say I roll it again, I got a 32. So I'm going to keep rolling and keep adding. So let's say I roll one more time, feeling confident, and I roll one more time and I roll a 1 and a 3. And because I rolled a 1 on one of the 2 dice, that means that I lose all my points for that round. So let's say we've been playing a while and I've been a little more cautious, and I have my 60, let's say I have 62, I have a 41, and I stop there and I have a score of 103. And let's say, oops, bad writing there, but let's say my turn again and I roll, oops, sorry, just a second. I realized I can't roll a 1, can I? So I'm going to change that number to a 2. So I'm going to have 104. So let's say I rolled again and I get, let's see, I got a 63. And I stop there and I've got my 7, I've got 167. So I decide I'm starting my next round and I'm going to roll. And let's say I rolled and I rolled 2 1s. I had this doubled and I rolled 2 1s. So this time I lose all my points for all rounds and I'm back to nothing. I'm back to 0 and I've got to start again. So it's all about what risk you're going to take, the likelihood of rolling double snake eyes or double 1s or whatever you want to call them, or if I can get up to the score of 500. So this gets students adding up numbers as well as understanding the likelihood of rolling a certain dice. You can also do this backwards and having them start at 500 and get down to 0 so that they're working on their subtraction skills. So you can do it either way. You can also change this game up and having larger point values too, depending on how quickly they reach their 500 point, and if you want more practice. But all they need is 2 dice and some scratch paper. So enjoy.